Quick video for you guys today. Working on a 2000 Honda of the Odyssey variety. Got the 3.5 liter. Got a mode with p0301 through p0305 and 306. Multiple random misfires. So that cylinder's 1, 3, 5, and 6. So started taking it apart, checking it out, pulled the spark plug out of it because each one I unplugged when I undid it made a slight difference at first, but then it seemed to be about the same. But over here I've got the coils plugged in. As you can see on the meter, that number is supposed to keep to be a steady number. Before I turned on the camera, it was clear down. It was at the 1.2 range and climbing. And some may think that maybe I've got my leads hooked up backwards. The first coil I tested, I came back to it after having it out for a few minutes, and one side tested dead. Yeah, just like that. So I think that this needs a set of coils. They're all bad. They're fine when you first hook them up, but then I noticed the one, like I just showed you here, is dead after it cools down. And then, but that number on the other side is still there on both sides. On this one, or was this already dead too? I got a short memory. You'll have to excuse my short memoriness. I ain't got anything to hold my phone besides my other hand. Yeah, this one's already dead. So let's take it on the car. Oh, and it's still in here. Let's see if we can't do this some fancy way. So all I gotta do is touch the prong. Daggone it. There we go. So we got a 5.53 there. Originally tested at 4.5. I think you can see the dot there, yeah. So as it sits, the coil cools off. You can see this side. Didn't make a whole lot of sense to me. One side is higher than the other like this, but there it is. And the other three coils that I've already pulled out, one of them is there, other two over there, sitting in the snow, cooling them off faster. So don't know what to say. This is a little strange. You don't often see multiple coils going bad all at one time, but that's what evidently happened. Unless there's a short somewhere, we'll find out. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.